Let's start. Okay. I can't use this thing. Anyway, you will not use it maybe. It's better. I will not use it. Okay. I was trying to, before the break, we were talking about the taxonomy. Why we should use taxonomy? Frankly, to study the creatures or the organisms that exist, it's really so important to put in groups, one group and this groups, which start from kingdom until the species. Grouping the animals or the plants, you help, or it's help you to study them. This is called taxonomy. I mean, the making groups. For example, you can see this is in biology. I think you already seen these things. The creatures or organisms at this world is classified or grouped in some groups. For example, Monera, Protista, fungi, plants, and animals. On some basis, they categorize these creatures or these organisms. This is so simple. This is more complex, more and more and more complexes. Plants here. Which start from kingdom until species. Look, here we have kingdom, and under kingdom we have phylum, and class, and order, and family. When study medicinal plants, the most important thing for us is family and under the family. This is the most simple thing to organize the plants. Look, the plant kingdom, it can be so easily divided into spore-bearing plants and seed-bearing plants. Okay? This is too simple. The spore-bearing, by the way, this is simple, this is complex. More simple, more complex. Okay? Spore-bearing, it consists of three main groups, which is algae, and mosses, and liverworts, and ferns. By the way, this is simple, more compound, or more complex. Okay? When we came to the seed-bearing plants that produce seed, not spores, it's two groups. It's conifers, like pine, and flowering plants, or the plants that have good or flowers. Okay? This is more simple and this is more complex. We call gymnosperm and angiosperm. This is the flowering plant. This is the most developed plants at the world, the highest, the best organized, which is also divided in two groups, which is monocot and dicot. I don't know if in biology you hear monocot or dicot. It's not so important. This is how we organize the plant kingdom. Some scientists organize them upon their vascular system. I mean the transportation system. Look, some of them, they are not vascular, which is this, not vascular. That's so primitive, ilkel, primitive. And more organized and have vascular system, which is contain ferns, gymnosperms, and angiosperms. Don't forget that angiosperms is the most developed plants for this world. Sometimes when you read some articles or books, they write lower plants and higher plants. Higher and lower. This is the lower plants, and this is the higher plants. Okay? Lower plants is not developed too much, This is higher plant, which is developed plant. Okay. Now this is the plant cell. Okay. Plant cell. I think we get some problem here. What is the plant cell? Can you tell me, please? What do you know? Plant. Yes. Okay. This is the plant cell. Exactly. They have chloroplast. Inside chloroplast, we have chlorophyll. Okay, this is good. Let's start with another question. What's the difference between animal and plant cell? Fark. There are 3 or 4 main things. One, this is cell wall. Cell wall, not membrane, wall. Animal have membrane and plant have membrane, but not animal not have wall. This is wall. This is wall, so thick. This is which give the plant its shape. This is cell wall. Okay. Let's see where is they wrote the cell wall. Just 1 minute. Sorry. Look. Wall, cell wall. Cell wall generally is consist of cellulose. Cellulose. Okay. Can you know what's this? These things. This. Bu nedir? Plasmodesmata. Plasmodesmata, its channels contact 2 plant cells with each other. Okay. The cells there are, until at the human, there are some means that keep the cells with each other. For example, look, up. This is cell and this is cell. The cells must with each other. This is the plasmodesmata. Okay? Okay. Cell wall. You say that chloroplast, yes, chloroplast contain chlorophyll and doing photosynthesis. Okay? At photosynthesis, how it's happened, let's write the equation of photosynthesis. CO2 yes. Here I will write glucose. CO2 and what? Glucose and oh my God, it's it's the third school at the primary school we learned this. Okay, sun where? Here, sun. Okay, here what? Okay, and O2, glucose and oxygen. Okay, in the cellular respiration at mitochondria, 1 molecule of glucose, how many ATP produce? Kaça? 36. 36. 34 mü? 36 mı? 38 mi? 9 değil. 9 değil. 38. 38. But this is genellikle 34 oluyor. Teorik olarak 38 doğru. 38 doğrudur. Ama genellikle 34'tür. Okay. This is photosynthesis. It's happened here. This is mitochondria. Mitochondria. And this is so important. Bu çok önemli. This is vacuole. Vacuole, it's an organelle. It's like a reservoir used to waste water and secondary metabolite here at the plant. The plant, when synthesize secondary metabolites, storage him here. Depot as a deposit here. Okay, this is the plant cell. Anything else? Can you tell me we have Golgi apparatus? What's the function of Golgi apparatus? Yes. I don't understand Russian or Kazakh. I wish that I know Russian or Kazakh, sorry. Huh? What she say? Golgi? No. Okay. You are chemists, you are not good in biology. Okay, no problem. Okay. Okay. When, look, the botanical nomenclature. This word, nomenclature, it's meaning the naming of plants. That to give the plants name. Why we should give the plants name?